what are the use of the final? So you can say final is the keyword which can be used with variable. If you declare variable as a final, then we cannot change value of the variable if it is declared as a final. If you declare method as a final, then we cannot do method overriding. So overriding is, you can say overriding is restricted. So if your variable is final, we cannot change the value once it is assigned. If your method is final, we cannot do overriding. And if your class is declared as a final, then we cannot do inheritance. We cannot do inheritance. So you can say it is a final class and there will be a no version of this after this. Let me give the example. For example, I am declaring here one variable final integer number is equal to 50. Then I can get the value of the number, but I cannot change the value of this number. I cannot write number is equal to 55. I cannot do this. It is not allowed at all. Once your method is a final, for example, class A, void show is the function that is available in class A and it is declared as a final. If your method is final, then the subclass of this class, that is class B, extends A, cannot write the function void show. So if your method is final, you cannot do method overriding. This is not at all allowed. If your variable is final, you cannot change the value. And if your class is final, for example, final class A, then inheritance is restricted. You can say you cannot write class B extends A. This is not at all allowed. If you are trying this, then you will get an error. So you can use the final with the variable, method and class. Let me give the example. I am writing here class and that class is, for example, taste. I have one more class and that is, you can say, taste demo, which has the main function. Now I am declaring here that is final integer I is equal to 50. Now this class can access the value I. So you can write taste t1 equal to new taste. You can access the value that is system.out.println and you can call t1.I. and you can access the value 50. Let me compile this. Java C final demo dot Java. Let me run Java test demo. I can access the value 50 over here, but I cannot change. I cannot write here that is t1.I is equal to and that is 55. If you are writing like this, then you will get an error. Cannot assign a value to the final variable. So we cannot change value of final variable. That is the first. Second, suppose if your class that is A and I have class that is B. Now this class has the function that is void show and this function is declared as a final. So you cannot do overriding. Class B also has the same function that is void show and I am writing extends A. So now this class that is class B cannot override the function that is final show. So method overriding will be restricted over here. You can say show in B cannot be overridden. Why? Because overridden method is the final and once your method is final, you cannot do the method overriding. So method overriding is restricted over here, and just because it is final. So final is used to restrict the method overriding. And suppose if I am declaring this class B as a final, then this B class cannot have a children. So if I am writing class, for example C, which extends from B, it will give me an error. Why? Because B is a final class. So if you compile this, you will get an error, cannot inherit from final class B. So whenever you are doing a class as a final, then you can say final class is used to restrict the inheritance. So you can say you cannot inherit from the final class. If you compile this, now there is no error. Why? Because I cannot change the value, I put this in a comment. I cannot do method overriding, I put this in a comment. I cannot do inheritance, I put this in a comment.